Trending Stars.
We're back with another episode of Trending Star, and today we have the multi-talented Viddix. Yeah?
Yes.
He's a singer, he's a producer, Afro, dancehall, R&B, rap.
No,
Walaja?
I don't think my Walaja was come on. Yeah, songwriter, producer, artist.
Oh, songwriter as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And
Yes.
guys. But anyways, how did you find yourself in the music scene?
I think pretty much from school. Groups school. I think that's where the interest in music started. And then uni. My beats. So I think from meeting and school and my experiences in music but yeah.
Okay, so that's how it pretty much started.
Yeah, because this is what in my family yeah, music everything, man.
Yeah.
So just experiences in life as meeting and yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So you started with producing, makes sense. But then how did you know your voice can actually do the magic that it does?
I think komano muturo tawimba umazizia because they've never been in a studio and then they get into a studio and maybe like singing along to some song.
Yeah.
And then you can actually tell that so I think that was it for me. And then just judging myself, because I think until I actually started to write something for my own. Yeah. Okay. Studio. Yeah. So yeah.
Okay. All right, so since you are produced and time again dimba ongobanga judge kuti kodi mu studio zingatheka.
Okay.
But please do not judge.
I mean,
if so we don't come from generations that sing.
The fair to judge
But anyway, so we have seen you collaborate with a lot of artists, and Sena's already a couple of artists, with a lot of artists, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you a feature person? Because looking at your, should I say, catalog, nyimbo zote zako are just like personal music in this ojeba.
Yeah. Not like I'm a feature person.
Yeah.
Komano, it's realizing good music needs a lot of stuff for it to actually, become something. Yeah. It has to be like a whole machine behind you. It's not just good there's an actual team behind you. So for me, realizing Guri, I didn't really have my resources in here. Komano still, the neighboring garden, Susie, if you get me in your song,
you're gonna spice it up,
I'm gonna spice it up. So while working on Guri Nimbos and Casas figure, I could still pretty much spice up nyimbo za doing that. So yeah, that's what I've been doing.
All right. Okay, since you've done a lot of features and my feature wakubwira be sanate. Are you selective ndima artist amene okupanga nawo feature o?
Obviously, yeah, you have to be selective because if not then the quality work out. Quality control, you have to control. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So how do you select? What do you look at?
I think zima tengira the reasons are weird. As for me right now, I'm getting into the music business. Yeah. So I have to look at it on the business perspective here. I have to see how is this going to benefit me as a brand, I have to see business-wise, how does this make sense for me? So quality, of course, is the first thing, but also on the biggest part, you have to look at that. That's what I look at right now.
Okay, the quality.
Quality, and also it has to make sense business-wise.
All right. right, business and quality. So if you're not into business but you're doing music, feature. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, yeah. So you've also made a couple of features with Teddy Makadi, and I think you guys sort of, you know, blend. We're always like, okay, that's a song right there. Have you ever thought of Tima joint? Kaka EP, Teddy and Viddix kaka album?
All right, yeah, there's actually something that we're cooking up, me and him, and eventually, you know, very soon it's gonna come out.
Yeah,
I can't say when, but yeah.
But yeah, something is coming. So guys, you see my instincts, eh?
Yeah.
All right, you can't spill much, but finally, you know, yeah. So listening.
If there is anyone that has been expecting that, just know what it's coming. Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
All right. So, you're also a producer. Yeah. You started with producing before you did the music thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
As a producer now, looking at the Malawian production industry when it comes to music, do you think we're going somewhere with beat sampling?
Oh yeah, we actually are.
Yeah,
we actually are, and we headed the right direction actually, because my productions have no problem than way they used to back in the days. But no, I feel like they're actually spending time and investing that time to actually get to know modern music and what are the things others are doing. Yeah, and with the internet right now, it's like bridged know a lot of things, and it's pretty much easier for my guys I'm in a production right now to actually get to know zinto Vegas are professional. So yeah, that's happening.
All right.
I think that's okay.
It's happening, guys. And now with the coming in of AI, Panova can pretty much just tell AI, Tandibasa sad song, you know? Ibanga. And as producers, how are you guys embracing that now?
I think that there is no way you can totally deny AI right now. I think the only thing that you can do is embrace it and just make sure we use it to your advantage, you know. But also, you need to make sure you should use it as a tool to bring your ideas to life. No kuri no AI AI go and then claim it to the world as yours.
Yeah.
You know, you have to give it your ideas and let it bring those ideas to life easier for you, because it'll take time for you to actually bring your ideas to life.
Yeah.
Yeah. For Malondi AI, it's easy.
It's very easy. Yeah. Okay, let's embrace it. Of course, it might also take away our jobs, but yeah. Life must go on. Life must move on.
Life has to go on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Now, you've talked about, you know, AI, Dagambagoza, originality as a producer. Yeah. How do you make sure your beats are different from everything else that we listen to?
It's not really I'm making sure they sound different. I think Chiforizmaka's regular Murumanga, and it's a unique brain, you know.
Yeah,
it's not like you're fine. So when it comes from mine, it's different.
It's different, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So now take us through your creative process. Ugamabanga produce nyimbo. I'm an artist. Ndabwira ku studio. Viddix, I have this idea.
Yeah.
Bring it to life.
Basically, I'll think of a chord progression that's gonna go with your song, and from that chord progression, I think, you know, everything, you know, comes into place from that. I'll try to come up with a basic structure for Nyimbo, which is the chord progression, and then I'm gonna look at my drums is it groove or so when I figure that out, then that's my color very easy to clean out on the floor and boom. Yeah.
All right. So for my artist, you know what? I have an idea, but I don't really, you know how to execute it.
Yeah.
How do you help those ones?
Could you have an idea, but you don't really know how to execute it? I think I'll try to still get good idea. And then me as a producer, I work with, you know, a couple of different genres. or at least if you can tell me, okay, I think January generally Afrobeat yani, and then I can figure that out for you. It's up to you if you like what I'm thinking, or not. Come on, yeah.
Okay, all right. Now talking about the genres, the one as well, you know, you're in 2 different genres.
Yeah.
How did you know, Woody, you can, you know, like go versatile like that? The Mumvera, the new song, Nyashano Index, it has some dancehall vibe to it, yeah? How did you know, Woody? Of course, I think I've never heard you do rap before.
In essence, but Woody, you mentioned rap. Come on, not the rap.
Maraba? No. But that's what your bio says.
Okay, I feel like my music is a blend of, I think, rap and tornado, hip hop, dancehall, and Afrobeat, Kwambili. Yeah.
Okay.
So I think bio but I actually meant to sound there, it's like a fusion of these different genres.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Now back to you as well as an artist. Yeah. You can flow more dancehall, you can do Afro. How did you know you can do both? So
kwamba wimba nikaimba dance.
Okay.
So that's like the new Teddy and Shano Index song. That's like basically my sound, you know. Komano, I think it was just waiting for the right time to actually, you know, get to show it to the people, and they're going to be getting to know like my parts in us of Vidics, so this was very soon. Okay. Because, you know, I'm still growing and I'm still exploring and stuff. So it's gonna be more exciting things coming up. So I know Malawians can suspect Vidics at so they'll get to actually confirm.
Okay, now you know Murumanga Mutimaganiza angati bwesilishan January, but yo kama instinct and they've lied to me. Okay, but we are here waiting. Yeah,
this year Mudaba Magai.
Okay, talking about this year, we have seen feature and Shano Index. I think you've pretty started well. Last year, Umaberoso Munajim Maliza Buino. So 2026, how does the future look like, Jagajin?
I'm planning Guri in the Bangi release about 9 to 10 singles.
Okay.
And if all goes well, maybe a project can I like an EP.
Okay, to an EP to Sangarali.
Yeah, I'm talking
so these 9 songs, you know, the other day I was talking to another artist, each and every month they can do a single. Is that the process as well, Gabena?
I think you want to
it's still cooking, you know, it's still cooking. All right, now growing up, of course, you started as a producer. When you got into the musician part of you, what musical influences influenced you? I think in I
think in the ambience, I used to do a lot of dancing back in the days. So that was like my #1 influence. And then my friends and I wonder hip hop also. So I started liking that also. And after I've been able Afrobeat yeah. So like Palajina Magais and Rema. I think Rema Kunajia Argentina is like one of my favorites. Yeah. Yeah. Komano, after I started liking sound in Gadimini, and also if I have production in meeting my guys in Gadina Saint Realist, I Teddy Magadaja, they and in the industry. Yeah. I started to grow an actual liking for that, and also knowing Malawi. I think my people very, very much like Afrobeat. Me being one of them also, because I like Afrobeat also. Okay. So I felt like I needed to embrace my origin as a Malawian and be proud of that, you know. So that's what actually made me to start doing Afrobeat So I keep that as my main thing. And there are other genres I like, the influences now. Okay. Yeah. All
right, Rema, shout out to you. When you come to Malawi, you gotta meet up with our Gara here. You already know. All right. Now, I think we have to play a game a little bit. Okay. Okay. Wakamba kuti ya Afrobeat jani. Top 5 Afrobeat artists in Malawi.
Top 5.
Top 5.
Onesmus. Aileen Juji. Teddy Makadi. Viddix.
Okay.
Yeah. Saint Realist.
Saint Realist.
Yes.
Paropo Balinda. Kabena in this order.
I think it's in that order.
Yeah, in that order.
In that order?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I think in ending was Zika kama number 1.
Okay, number 1. Oh, we not going to Hi guys, Wazika ikaba number 1.
I'm a very big fan of these people.
Yeah.
They make very good music. And yes, talking of Ndori Malawi, these people, Ndawe Nagura Ndibanga influence so come also inspire on me. Yeah.
All right. So I've seen you've worked with Saint Realist, I think, before. Yes. Have you worked with the other 3?
I haven't.
You haven't? Yeah, this is a hint. Good, you know what? He's ready to work with you. All right. Yeah. Now, Tangonduza Gudi, let's go back to the Shano Index song.
Okay.
That's a heartbreak song, sort of, partly.
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Ndimaona ma comments pa Facebook, we no akanazane nazo kuti Viddix took the verse personal. Ndimamva bena bagi chanchani mwamakakamiza chanja mukhinya bakhosi jamuda. All right, now I'm going to give you the chance kuti tango imenya sofisija. Timvesese kuti guys Viddix amarijani.
Zimene mfanzi yidiki bamene.
Ndizomwe ndikufuna ndimvesese kuti over the beat yandikhenya bwanji bakhosi.
Habari. Okay. Ndikuuza chilunga mwewe takala pe sunga manene kuti ine ndiwa violence unaziyamba weka zoti sunga malize Desamoneke ngato ipandi niwe sia Zomalila zomadanda ukaziwa unkutu kumve wako zapweteka liva Kakuuza osaka kamiza Ndezo tanzako asaziwe zaine Ndikangati nakuuza iwe Unabwela weka unkabwela be Unakakamiza fupo na pakosi cha kutimba Zoti asaziwe zaine Nikangati nakuuza iwe Unabwela weka unkabwela be Unakakamiza fupo na pakosi cha kutimba.
Okay. Unakakamiza fupo. I think the Jakutimba line is my favorite line. Hey guys, all right. If you were thinking could he uses auto-tune? Pure vocal zero talent, pure talent in Malawi.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
all right.
it.
And now I think you did say sometime kuti unadzanena kuti tizimba manganje osamba.
Yeah.
What did you mean by that?
I think you're gonna understand much more better. Zina zake zikadropa.
Guys.
Yeah. Komano.
It's a year of suspense.
The reason why I say that, you're already. And to okay, manganje ndameno jayo. Komano, personally, I feel like when it comes to like the global market now, for it to sell we need to be able to fuse it some international sounds.
Yeah.
Zikafika so for international market pajabo zitabanga sell like that, because in as much as let's say with African music in its very, very raw form, would just sound like sound in let's say Mali, so you haven't heard of. But when you hear it, you just say, okay, in sound, and you just leave it. Okay, for it to be appealing like that on an international level now.
Yeah.
I feel like when I a few sound, they're appealing internationally. So yeah, that's what I meant. And that's what I'm doing. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
That's what he is doing. I think that also takes us back to you also said, Kudi, I want to take Malawi international with my music.
Yes.
So that's coming with the Manganje now.
It's coming with a lot of things, but Manganje being one of them.
One of them.
Yeah.
Okay. So should we expect, Kudi, in the next 2-3 years, we're going to see Viddix on the international scene?
Yeah. I believe so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we've seen you collaborate with a couple of Malawian artists. Should we expect Gudi, okay, I know Gudi, the other 3 that you mentioned are part of them. Yes. Gudi, you also like to collaborate with?
Yes. Sonyezo.
Oh, okay. But is he still doing music?
I don't know, but I still want to collaborate with him.
Okay.
I think I've been wanting to collaborate with Sunyizu for a long time, and I know it's gonna happen one day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Green. Patience Namadingo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Malawi. Kwambizo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a couple of, but
a couple of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Jagaji no Jigamata. This is Mugandina. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. All right. And now, Muna, also just tell me, Woody, have you had a challenging project since you started music? But that project did really challenge me, and how did you overcome it?
Yeah, I'd say so. I live on the train. They're quite challenging. I even have one already right now that I'm doing currently. And what happens now is the challenging part is you have an idea, but as I say, sometimes it takes very long for an idea to actually come to life. So as you listen to it and as time goes, you still feel not satisfied.
Yeah.
It's like, no, I think this is not done still. So yeah, overcoming it now. Right now, I'm developing something. Couldn't even collaborate with my producers and also Kwambili. And recently, the Pompa American magazine, shout out Ray, the Eugene, guitarist.
Yeah. Okay. Shout out to you guys. Yeah.
And Victor, my guys, now, me collaborating with them right now, I feel like my challenge is in no matter what. Because I think when you put together expertise and come together as one and make genetic happen, it's easier.
It's easier like that. All right. And let us also talk about being a music artist and a producer. How do you balance the two? So do you produce your own music?
I do.
So no other producer has ever produced your music before?
Yeah, other producers have produced.
They have.
Yeah.
Also.
Yeah.
Then how do you know, Woody? Of course, I'm the baddest in the game. I can produce. I can do that. How do you criticize yourself now?
It's very hard to criticize yourself, honestly.
Yeah.
I think I leave that mostly to other people, and it's up to me now, Woody. Criticism in the way or Namodani. I think he did that was most of the times, when those ideas come, it's up to me now. This one, this is size and see what okay, I think I can actually change something.
All right. So between producing and being a musician,
balance. I'm an artist, I think. I'm an artist before being a producer. Okay. Yeah. So... Because, let me tell you, how I started production, it was because... Couldn't be career serious, because when I can't go my page, I wouldn't career serious in productions because when I went to studio, my studio back in the days, that was like around 2017, 18-ish. Yeah. Viral studio I think better because I think in any music, if I can actually look in and learn about this stuff, I get better than them. So yes, but I'm an artist before
being a producer. Yeah. Right. So as a producer, you also go by Viddix.
Yeah, but that was things.
Yeah, I mean, I just want to know. I know that's the guy right there.
Okay, turn it up a little louder.
So you know how I usually listen to that Munyimbo za Saint, and then now I thought it was his tagline. No. Okay, so that's you.
That's me.
Turn it up a little louder.
Turn it up a little louder, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. We know. And Muna, some of the challenges that you are just rising, yeah. My challenges, and I'm not now and I
think for the most part, knowledge about how certain things are run in the industry. From you having a finished song in the studio to it getting to the people like that, you know. But information in a room and easy. When that's so easy, when you tomango into chimbulimbuli, and you know you can get to Antoine, but you can get to as much, you know. Yeah. I think quite a big challenge now. And I think I'm getting to learn about that information now. Yeah.
All right. And maybe what advice do you have to my emerging artists? Kafuna zapange production, the musician part of it.
That's what I can say, because you're in a card snag a meeting they were there. Naka recently my main deliver. Come on, we got a meeting, and at least I have a vision. This is where I want to get. And it should be true to you,
All right. Now, tell us how you featured on Todd's album. You walked into the studio. Tell us what happened. I'm interested. I want to hear the full story.
Okay, so I was helping Toast finalize that album, because when we met, Kudidambo, project manager, he had already worked on like 80% of the album. It was done already, and I was supposed to come in as a mix engineer. Kudidambo mixes into the label. So and I was like, I said, so in the course of that, and I basically my tracks are but after one of my projects, it was like, I said, so yeah, Tabanga Jina Jagi, Tajibangi, my verses. So Najibanga, Nabanga, do the Vidics, and did my part. You know, like I made like a few samples, a few demos. And then they nagana go to Lugira. No way I'm studio mchagule mbaso pompo to gidani. Ndi chapa. I do.
Okay. All right. And then as we're going towards the end, what inspires your music Ugamabanga create as a musician?
What inspires my music? It's in Zambia, one of them being life itself. You know, the experiences, the stories that we would like to tell. And also, I'd say with business also. Business
on top.
Business has to be there.
All right. And maybe as we're finishing, any words to your fans?
I think my guy in the Kando Wangani staff Wambili Zagas means the baby send it to Komano. Jaga, you know, take a go run and dance with most people. Okay.
All right. Recess with Vesia
Uzudenga. Kulibe queen, I would rather be. Kuposa muchi kondi nawe baby. In see you in the company. Ndufuna go hamba nawe. Kuchoka pasi panti, my love, siningamu pase wina. Ndipo wazadalisa pagua, ewe my friend forever. Diwe wanga, disikamba mokwenza, mpaka. Cause every time I think of you, mutu sumagwila wu. Every time I think about you, Zodiak.
All right, guys, that was Viddix. Next time.
But it's all right.
All right, guys. And this was Trending Star, and I am Alina Fechunga. Let us meet again in the next episode of Trending Star.
Trending Stars.